Hi, and welcome to Fletcher Jones Mercedes-Benz of Chicago. My name is Max, and today I'll be talking to you about a great way to take care of your high-end performance luxury car. Maintaining your investment in a high-end vehicle is essential to its performance, longevity, fuel economy, and much more. We all know how important changing our oil is, but equally as important, items such as spark plugs, air filters, pollen filters, are often neglected. The number one reason, expense. Fortunately, Mercedes-Benz offers a great solution. Mercedes-Benz Prepaid Maintenance Program encompasses your factory recommended services in one affordable spot. The program covers all required services, and it also ensures that your car is being worked on by Mercedes-Benz factory technicians and only use Mercedes-Benz factory parts. The best part, it's a fraction cost of what you pay out of pocket for each service. So next time you're in to visit us, ask your Mercedes-Benz service consultant for details. We also offer a more affordable version called Fletcher Care, which you can ask your service advisor as well. Thank you so much for using Fletcher Jones Mercedes-Benz of Chicago. Please feel free to reach out to us for any questions, and remember, we offer pickup and delivery if needed.